You're watching Vegtv.
We're going to make delicious jasmine rice pudding, dairy-free jasmine rice pudding in an Instant Pot. I've got 5 cups of homemade soy milk made with Laura soybeans. Add a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to mix it, pouring off 2 cups of soy milk and set it aside. Pour the 3 cups of soy milk into my Instant Pot. I'm going to add 1 cup of jasmine rice that's been rinsed thoroughly, a half cup of raisins, a half cup of sugar, a half teaspoon of cardamom, and a half teaspoon of rose water, and a half teaspoon of salt. Attach the lid, press porridge, 20 minutes. The first stage is complete. Just stir it, add the reserved vanilla soy milk, stir, press sauté, and add 3 tablespoons of soy vanilla yogurt. I'm going to serve it with ground cinnamon and sliced almonds.